Oh.
Oh! You should be in the circus.
Good morning! It is Wednesday. We're all eating cereal and we're all on our phones. Okay. Haley just got here making herself an omelet.
Yeah, you did it.
Party.
I know I did.
Hope's hair's all crimpy and braided and
Because Matt Dog did it.
fancy ass.
So I braided it.
So yeah, we're gonna have a great day today. Whoa!
What the? Is it frozen? It's probably frozen.
Whoa!
It's right underneath my freezer. Maybe that's why. You spilled your egg all over the carpet!
Oh, I got that on video! That's so funny.
You guys have like Clorox wipes or something I can
Yeah, we do.
clean up with?
It was really funny. It just like exploded.
I know.
That was really funny. Great way to start the morning.
Scary.
So we're all dressed and ready to party on this wacky Wednesday. Hope you're brushing your teeth. I just went for the Altoid. I did brush my teeth. Now I just put an Altoid in. Where's Maddie? But yeah, there was some sick rainstorm last night. That was cool. Maddie's talking to herself in the bathroom again. So yeah, I'll open eyes that and watch the rainstorm.
Oh my.
Gross.
It's gonna be a flood.
That is pouring down. Oh yeah, she posted. Oh. So we're in this fight with JP, and he posted that on his story this morning. And so then Hope and Maddie went and posted that. And yesterday he posted one of like Omar drinking a cup, and he was like, when the workout's so good, you're shaking while getting a drink or something like that. So then I posted one of Maddie eating her Cheerios, and she was like shaking, and we were like, when the workout's so good, you're shaking while eating your Cheerios. And then they came and sticky noted our whole room. Well, our dorm, because our doors were locked. And so he said this means war. So apparently he takes the Snapchat stories very seriously. But we're ready. We already have our revenge planned. We just gotta figure out how to do it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be thinking about in class, right?
Right.
So yeah, we're gonna go have our Luxie class. Ew, that's gross.
Isn't that disgusting?
Yeah.
It works.
Do it again.
No, that's. Get off me.
Hope's got some weird tongue scraper thing. Like, what is that about?
Stop! Get out.
Okay, I'm done. Got her! We at lunch now. Just a classic chicken sandwich. Hold the cheese. What you got, bro? Same thing. She got grilled chicken though. What you got?
Fried. Hot fried.
You?
Turkey and lumberjack.
Pepperjack.
Lumberjack.
And Paco over there. And that dog. There's a freaking fire drill! I gotta get my jacket on. What do we do?
Where do we go?
We just got back from Cosmo. We were sitting peacefully eating my Lucky Charms on the floor, and the fire alarm goes off. I like how Maddie was like, I like how Maddie's like, what's happening? I think we have to leave it open. My keys, bro. Do we have to leave the doors open so they can check them? Hurry home, my ears are dying! We don't? You can't even hear them in the bedrooms. Are you leaving yours open? Okay, we're going! Ah! We made it out alive. What?
That's
Whoa.
to the fire alarm.
This is a family-friendly show,
Okay,
bro.
I'm sorry. Retake it.
Okay. Okay, we made it out alive. There's everybody all chilling over there. Did he wave at us? Oh, there's Haley.
Where's Haley?
Whoa, what's that coming out of the building? Is that smoke?
Where?
Right there. Do you see that coming out of the top
Probably
of
like
the
steam.
Cosmo building?
No, it's just from the. It's
Ree and Mads over here. Okay, Mads, just take over the whole camera.
I like this. I'm gonna take over Corey's job now. We're waiting because some freaking idiot does not know how to cook, and he
I
burnt
was just
down
making cereal. It wasn't me, bro.
the whole. It's gonna burn down this whole thing.
This is great lighting, bro.
Yeah, this
We look hot.
is great lighting.
Look at the little losers coming over to see us.
Oh wow.
What's up, bro?
Hey J man. Hi. Oh, what's
Hey.
up guys? What was
Do you guys do this? You set off the alarm?
Yeah, it was probably you guys.
I feel like it might have been me and my deodorant.
And your what?
Deodorant.
Children?
Deodorant.
Deodorant.
Oh.
I understood ya. Don't worry. Here's the fire guys here.
Whoa, got me walking side.
I'm talking to you. Say I should give you up. Can't give them no desire.
This is our little ramen that Hope made for me. Thanks, bro. We mixed so it's one part chicken ramen and the other part beef ramen.
Beef ramen?
It's a top secret recipe. Right, Mads? You jelly, bro?
Matt's approved. I won't let go.
We're gonna go, where are we going? Walmart?
Yeah.
Stop by Walmart, then we'll be back here, ready to party. We're gonna go get some supplies for our little revenge. For you, JP and Omar.
Manacha.
Omar?
We gon' get you.
So, yeah. Who's driving?
I'll drive.
Give up. Oh my god. Oh, Corey. Oh my gosh. Oh my, it's still recording. It's so good.
Alright, so we got
No way.
3 bags of 72 balloons. That adds up to like 200. Well, how many balloons? 200?
I don't know, 200 and something.
200
I don't do
balloons.
math.
260.
It's gonna be sick night, bro. And we're gonna blow them all up by ourselves.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
I legit went pee like 10 minutes, like
Do you have
like
to pee
right
really bad?
before we
'Cause I have
left.
to pee
Yeah,
really bad. Okay. So
and we went like right before we left. Didn't we need to get fabric dye for Maddie?
Oh yeah. But that's over in. That's a different.
It's right here. I'm looking
No,
at it
but-
right now.
No, there's a better section now. We
Fabric
can find
dye.
it. We can find the actual Ritz dye. It's not this. It's over there. I saw it. I know. Should we just get these?
Marco?
I found them. Someone's calling. What? I can't see. There's too many baby stuff.
Who is it?
What?
Hello?
Someone's calling my name. Let's go this way. Boo! Stop. What do you want?
Here, leave this in.
Guys, what's that? Boo! I was kind of worried it wasn't gonna be you. Just went to high five Maddie, and I went to high five Maddie and I smacked her in the face, and the cashier laughed at us. She called us special. It was pretty embarrassing. Right, Hope? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. We're going to the fire. Not like a real fire, like
It's gonna be really cold.
a little fire pit.
It's not that cold.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's bad. Oh,
Okay.
now it is.
So yeah, it's a little cold.
Bye, losers. You're the loser.
What was that? We don't speak loser!
So I couldn't put a
You can't really see us at all. But we're here. That's Emma. Oh, there's Riley.
You guys all look so cute. Oh, you're in this video. Oh, hi, vlog. What are you guys doing?
I want one.
Then go make one.
Okay.
Where's Spencer go? I need him to get.
He did it.
Go, James, you're already up there.
I don't need to.
I got the top, get to the top.
At the top.
Blowing up all these balloons. So we are ready for our revenge. And we know Walmart is truly open.
Daily Walmart, you already know.
You already know. So we tried riding on the little scooter things, but then the guy got mad at us. So we tried putting it back, but it broke. So we asked one of the workers, like, "Hey, can you help us fix it?" And he's like, "Okay." And like, he couldn't help fix it. It was really embarrassing. Dang it. I was so excited.
Smells good, huh?
Testing.
It's like
It smells like laundry.
It smells good.
Stop. Okay.
I don't put it in your story though.
I'm not putting on the story. Don't crash.
McDonald's, I'll be with you in just a moment. Thank you. Do you guys want anything?
No, man.
Do you want anything? You want anything, Ho?
No, thank you.
So, 2 for you? Or just one?
Do for you.
1 or 2?
two.
No, one, dude.
Okay,
brother
one
comes
and
here
One for you, one for me.
fries.
So we are only serving breakfast right now, but what can I get?
Wow, that's bullshit. Thanks, ciao.
So I can get a McChicken?
I'm sorry, no. It's just breakfast.
Fuck.
Oh, wow.
That's racist. Give me a.
What about fries?
No. I could do hash browns.
Everybody. I forgot.
Not laugh though.
Everybody feels high sometimes.
You know.
What else can we do when you're feeling?
No.
You see, yeah? Yum. Yum.
Are you gay?
Yep. Do you like dick?
Yeah.
So we are back in the dorms, and I'm all showered and clean, and Hope is also in the shower. And I think we waited a little too long to shower because I can still smell the smoke. It's like imprinted into my hair now, but it is currently, it's 3:45 in the morning. Oh, tomorrow's gonna suck, but yeah, so I guess today is gonna suck. It's currently today. Anyways, I didn't get very many videos at the bonfire because I ran out of storage on my phone, but I got a few saved onto Snapchat, so I'll get those. And then we went to Walmart, and I was trying to ride one of those little cart things, and they got kicked out. I think I said that in the vlog, I can't remember, but yeah, and then we were chilling, so we have a very special surprise with all those balloons. and I'll make sure to make a vlog about those, but that'll be really exciting. So yeah, that's it. Well, Hope's not here to say goodnight, so good night. Good night.